Hello everyone. In this video, we will try to understand why we need to use max width. Okay, so here we have an HTML and we will try to understand with the help of this. Okay, so let's just delete everything of this and save this, right? So if you see here, we have a long paragraph here. So inside the body we have a div, the container, a div class container, and h1 this text stretches too wide, and we have this paragraph, right? So if you save this and you see this text stretches too wide with 100%. Okay, so to understand the difference, uh, okay, so with this 100% background color, light blue, padding 20 pixel, right? So we will have to we will get a different CSS for this, then maybe we will understand, right? With it 100% max width, 800 pixel, margin 0. Okay, and here we have the same HTML, right? So what we can do is just copy this one and put this here, and we will try to notice the difference, right? If you see this, you see now. Okay, so margin 0 auto, that means guys top and bottom 0, and auto means guys it will come in the middle, right? Max width 800. Okay, so it centers the container. So as max width is 800, margin 0 auto, it centers the container. Max width, there is no max width, right? And let's say we take this one and put this here. So let's see the difference, right? Max width 100%, max width 100%, there is no max width. Okay, background color light blue, light green, padding 20 pixels. So margin, if we just do the margin auto here, so let's see what happens without the max width, right? And what we will do here, we will just cut this one and save. So now you can see that it's coming in the middle, that's fine, but as there is no max width, so it's taking the whole display, right? It's taking the whole display, but yes, of course it's in the middle, but as it's using the whole display, so this is the center now. Do you understand? Same thing was different when you set the max width. I hope you got the point. So let's save it and do one thing. We can just you see, if you just minimize the screen, what happens? Okay, it's using the whole screen, but text is on to only this place. So if you use only the max width 800 pixel, if you use only this one, then 800 pixel would be the screen size now. Okay, because max width is 800 pixel, we are not using the whole display. So so these would be in the center. Okay, this container would be in the center. So I hope you got some point, right? You got the point why this is happening.